Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. I hope you all are having a great day whichever day you're watching this video. I'm back with this week's CVS deals video and there are some good savings going on this week. Without wasting time, let's see what CVS have for us. The first deal I have will be a moneymaker and it's on spend 15 get $5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, priced at $15.49. Use two $3 instant CRT. We received one today, and last 2 weeks we received another one, but I printed mine out, so it extended till 9:30. And if your store accepts expired CRT or extra care box up to 2 days, you can use it. And we also have a $3 digital coupon for this item. And if you have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, add it to this deal, it's going to drop it down to $3.49. Pay that and get $5 back, making this item free and a $1.51 money maker. The next deal will be spend 16 get $6 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Easy Breezy brow pencils, priced at $5.79 each. The total for these 3 items will be $17.37. In today's savings set, we have a $3 coupon that you can use. Use 3 of them. Then last week we received another CoverGirl Instant CRT. You can add it to this deal. It's going to drop it down to $5.37 and you get $6 back, making all 3 items free and a 63-cent money maker. The next deal will be on buy 2 get $10 back on any CeraVe hand or body lotion, baby body wash, facial or acne care. Picking up 2 of the CeraVe hydrating toner, priced at $10.99 each. That's the cheapest I can find. And the 2 items are going to come up to $21.98. I went to CeraVe.com and I registered and I was able to print out 2 $4 coupons. It normally gives you 2 options. The first option will be to print out a $2 coupon, but when you share the link, you can print out 2 $4 coupons, so that's what I did. Using the 2 $4 coupons is going to drop the total down to $13.98 and you get $10 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. And this can be a good deal to add to a 10 off 70 or 20 off 100. Another good deal this week will be the Eucerin lotion. It's part of the spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up the Advanced Repair Cream 8 ounces, priced at $12.49. Complete this deal, add the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion 5 ounces, priced at $7.99. And the 2 of them are going to come up to $20.48. Use 2 of the $3 coupon we got from the 9/24 savings set. And if you have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT, add it to this deal. It's going to drop it down to $11.48 and you get $10 back, making both items $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal is on spend 15 get $3 back on Vaseline. We had this deal last week and we're having it again this week. Pick up the 20 ounces, priced at $9.58, and also the 10 ounces, priced at $5.49. These 2 items are going to come up to $15.08. We have a 4 off 2 Vaseline coupon from 9/24 savings set. And if you also have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT, add it to this transaction. And it's going to drop it down to $8.08 and you get $3 back, making both items $5.08 or $2.54 each. We have a buy 2 get $3 back and Old Spice body wash is part of it. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.79. These 2 items are going to come up to $19.58. We have a 3 off 2 Old Spice digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $16.58. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one of them. And after the rebate, it's going to make both items just $9.58 or $4.79 each. Another body wash deal will be on Nivea Men or Women, whichever one you like. It's on buy 2, get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Nivea Men body wash, priced at $6.79 each. The 2 items are going to come up to $13.58. In the same 924 savings set, we have a 3 off 2 Nivea coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $10.58. Then you get $5 back, making both items $5.58 or $2.79 each. Irish Spring 3-pack bar soap is part of the buy 3, get $4 back, and the soft soap liquid hand soap is also part of the buy 3, get $4 back. I'll be showing you 2 ways to do this. Pick up 3 of the Irish Spring bar soap at $4.69 each, and these 4 items are going to come up to $14.07. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have, you can add it to this deal. Pay the $14.07 and get $4 back, making all 3 items $10.07 or $3.36 each. If you don't want to pick up the Irish Spring, you can pick up 3 of the soft soap hand soap, priced at $3.49. Check their website and you can print out 50-cent coupon to use on each one of them. It's going to drop it down to $8.97 and you get $4 back, making all 3 items $4.97 or $1.66 each. Another deal I found is on any White Willie's beard care. The deal with this is spend 10, get $4 back, and you can buy any. And the cheapest item they have is just priced at $10.79. You pay that and you get $4 back, making it just $6.79. This next deal is not the best. We've had it cheaper, but I added it in case someone really needs it. Oral-B toothbrush is part of the buy 2, get $3 back, limit of 2. Picking up 2 of the Vivid toothbrush, the 1 count, priced at $4.99 each. The 2 of them are going to come up to $9.98. We have a 2 off 2 Oral-B digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop the price down to $7.98, and you get $3 back, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. Sweet Stick deodorant is on sale for 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, then go to speedstick.com and print out 2 75-cent coupon that is going to apply to each one of them. It's going to drop the price down to $4.50 and you get $2 back, making both items $2.50 or $1.25 each. The next deal will be on buy 2 Axe deodorant or body spray, get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the body spray price at $7.49. As you can see, my store is wiped out, but if your store have the fine fragrance, you can pick them up because there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for each one of them. But if this is all your store have, picking these 2 up will total you $14.98. Everybody received a $7.50 off 2 digital coupon today that is going to drop it down to $7.48, and you get $2 back, making both items $5.48 or $2.74 each. The next deal will be on spend 15, get $5 back on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner, and this is a limit of 1. They're also on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 4 and the total for the 4 will be $16. Go to coupons.com. We have a 3 off 2 coupons that you can print out there. You can print out 2. Using those 2 coupons is going to drop it down to $10 and you get $5 back, making all 4 items $5 or $1.25 each. The next deal will be on some Dove hair care. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $5.49, you can mix or match however way you want. The second one is going to be $2.75. We have this 4 off 2 coupon that we got from 924 savings set that is going to apply and drop it down to $4.24, and you get $2 back, making both items $2.24 or $1.12 each. The next deal is on buy any real feminine care, you get $3 back. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can add it to this deal. Picking up the one price at $8.99, without the coupon, you have to pay the full price, then you get $3 back, making it just $5.99. General Milk Treat Bars, they're on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up one of the Honey Nut Cheerios treats and one of the Chex Mix, the 6 bars. The two items are going to come up to $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to it. Then check your Ibotta. 2 different rebates will give you back 50 cents on each one of them, making both items $2.48 or $1.24 each. Sharing a very simple spend 30 get $10 bag. Pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon that you can use for this. Then add the Tide powder detergent, also on sale for $14.99. Go to P&G website and print out a $3 coupon. When you check the details, you will see that it also attaches to this item. These two items are going to come up to $29.98, which is within the 98% rule. After the 2 coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $23.98, and you get $10 back, making both items $13.98 or $6.99 each. The last deal in this video will be on buy 2 Cottonelle 9 mega roll or Viva 6 big rolls, get $5 back. Pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.99 each, and these 2 items are going to come up to $21.98. We have a $2.50 off 2 Cottonelle digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $19.48, and you get $5 back, making both items $14.48 or $7.24 each. Thank you all for watching my video and supporting me every week. See you on next.